Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Snapchat lag on Android. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things that you can do here to basically reduce the lag of your Snapchat app here. So one of them is to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. So in this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here and search for Snapchat. Sometimes not having the latest version can actually lag the app itself. So in this case, if you see any update button, go ahead and click on it, and that would actually update the app. Wait for it and go ahead and open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, well, there's still a few things that you can do here to possibly solve it. So first things first, you need to look for the Snapchat app here, press and hold on it, and you want to click on App Info. Now from here, you want to actually first access app permissions. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, in here, you want to allow all permissions in this section. Now, if you see any permission under denied, make sure to click on it and make sure to choose allow here. Once you've done that, go ahead and go back. And the next thing you want to do here is you want to clear your data. At the bottom right, go ahead and clear data and choose clear cache and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and press and hold on your power button and you want to restart your phone. Now, once you've restarted your phone, go ahead and access Snapchat and see if that solves the issue. And finally, if that doesn't solve the issue, then the problem itself might be your actual phone. Sometimes if you have a lot of apps like I do right now on my phone, it might actually lag Snapchat here. So getting a new phone or reducing the number of apps that you have right now on your phone can actually solve the lagging issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.